In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a clock widget on your iPhone. This is a really useful widget that can help you keep track of the time in different cities or time zones. The clock widget is only available on iPhones running iOS 14 or later. To add the clock widget to your home screen, follow these steps. Long press on an empty area of your home screen until the apps start jiggling. Tap the plus button in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on the clock widget. Select the size of the widget that you want to add, and then move the widget to the home screen. You can choose from a variety of clock styles, including analog, digital, and flip clock. Once you've added the clock widget to your home screen, you can configure it to show the time in different cities or time zones. To do this, tap on the clock widget. You can tap on a clock and edit the time. You can write what city you wish to show. Once you're finished configuring the clock widget, tap on the Done button to save your changes. You can add multiple clock widgets to your home screen if you want to keep track of the time in different cities or time zones. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to add a clock widget on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.